Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. So our today topic is for sagging skins, homemade ingredients which are beneficial for us. As we are growing older, all the organs of the body begins to age and started showing signs of aging. This includes our skin too, which is the largest organs of our body. Though all parts of our body age, it is aging of skin that gains maximum attention because it's clearly visible. We always seeks out different ways to delay this visible skin aging. Aging skin, especially on the face, affects self-image and has many social and emotional implications. The signs of aging skin are clearly visible, like wrinkling, sagging, and blotchy, uneven skin tone. Number 1. Egg white for wrinkles. You will need 1 egg, and now gently whisk the egg white and apply it on your skin. Allow it to dry completely. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. How should we do this? Use this face mask once or twice a week. Why this work? Instead of trying out those anti-wrinkle creams, reach out for eggs white. Wrinkles and sagged skin will soon be a thing of the past with this simple home remedy. This egg white tighten your skin naturally, easing fine lines and laugh lines. This remedy is especially good for people with oily skin, as egg white also unclog pores and absorb the excess sebum for the skin. Aloe vera for wrinkles. You will need 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, 1 egg white. What you have to do, make a paste of these 2 ingredients and gently massage it on your face. Leave it on for an hour and wash off. You can also apply aloe vera gel by itself. How this you should do? How often? Apply this face mask twice a week. Why this work? Aloe vera gel is enriched source of vitamin E, which is a booster for the skin and works excellently in combination with egg white. Aloe vera also heals dull skin with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. I hope this video is helpful for you, for your wrinkles, and these ingredients are best ingredients which are all easily available in your kitchen. Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.